With the Artifactory plugin installed on Artifactory, any policy violating artifacts that are requested from a given build will actually fail the build when that artifact fails a policy check. For example, in this project that requires a dependency that will be downloaded from Artifactory, the Artifactory plugin will actually validate if any of those artifacts violate policies. When they do, in this case, Maven will actually see that access is denied to the particular library. But if we look on the Artifactory logs, what we actually see is that that particular library download request was canceled because that artifact did not conform to the WhiteSource policy Apache not allowed. So in this way, we're able to keep both Artifactory clean of policy violating libraries, but also our builds and any servers or laptops, workstations that pull their dependencies from the Artifactory server where this plugin is configured. So there's not even a chance of a policy violating artifact existing anywhere on any system that pulls artifacts from the repository that is configured with the WhiteSource plugin.
Thank you for watching this presentation, and if you have further questions, please reach out to your WhiteSource representative, or you can visit our website for more information.